Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce less sour. A common kitchen challenge is overly acidic tomato sauce, but don't worry, it's easy to fix. We'll explore simple methods to balance the flavors, ensuring your sauce is perfectly delicious every time. You'll learn how to adjust the taste using common pantry ingredients, transforming a tart sauce into a culinary delight. Adding a touch of sweetness is a classic way to counteract sourness. Sugar doesn't actually change the pH, but it makes the sauce taste less acidic by balancing the flavors. Start with a small amount, like 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of white sugar for a 28-ounce can of tomatoes. Stir it in, let it simmer briefly, and then taste. You can also use grated carrots for natural sweetness. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding these tips helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your support helps us create more content. And speaking of delicious food, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your freshly made tomato sauce or any other culinary creations. Find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For a more direct approach, baking soda is your secret weapon. It's an alkaline, meaning it will actually raise the pH of your sauce, neutralizing the acidity. Add just a tiny pinch, perhaps 1/8 of a teaspoon, and watch for a slight fizz. Stir well and taste. Be careful not to add too much, as it can give your sauce an unpleasant, soapy, or bitter flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.